Hey there. Want to give a family member the ability to make purchases on your credit card account? Adding an authorized user to your Bank of America credit card is simple, but it's important to understand the responsibility. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to add them. Log into your Bank of America online account, select your credit card, and go to Information and Services. Find Add an Authorized User and enter their full name, date of birth, and social security number. You can also set a specific credit limit for them during setup. Bank of America will mail a card in their name to your address. Remember, you are 100% responsible for all charges they make. My crucial pro tip? Use this to help build someone's credit wisely. As an authorized user, this account typically appears on their credit report. This can help them build a positive history, but if you miss payments, it can hurt their score too. Set clear spending rules from the start. That's how you share your credit line thoughtfully. Have you added an authorized user before? For a child, a spouse, or another family member? Tell me about it in the comments. For more guides on managing shared finances, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.